I'm working on my daughter's mask. I got her measurements yesterday, so she has a pretty small nose, very tiny. And then this piece was a little too big down here, and it passed the bottom of her chin, so I had to create like a reinforced piece so it'll fit her properly because she has a small face. I'm trying to add the filters in, glue the filters in, and then I don't know what fabric I should lace this with. Pink, find something with unicorns. I don't know. I think she likes unicorns. I gotta find unicorns. Alright, so here's an update on my daughter's mask. I did a few adjustments on it. I cut out the bottom. I put 2 filters on the bottom, filter in the front, a passageway, so when I put the material over, it creates an air pocket in between here and the fabric. Then in here, this is the activated carbon, and then I have to add another layer, just another reinforcement filter in there, then reinforce the whole inside, and then put the fabric on it. I have to coat the whole mask with citric acid, just the outside. I don't have powdered zinc, but I would have coated the inside of the mask with powdered zinc, so it would have just deflected a lot more bacteria and viruses that could possibly pass through the first 2 layers of filter and then the reinforcement filter. So that's what helps with that. This is my daughter's. I had to cut it down to size and reinforce it over here, then cut a whole bottom piece off, hence making the bottom filter. And then reinforce it all around after I'm done. So still not done yet, got a long way to go, but it's for my daughter, and I'm trying to make it the best mask I can because it's just so hard to get any mask around here. Everybody stay safe, man. Practice what you need to practice, wash your hands, keep 6 feet from each other, practice social distancing, you know what I mean? And just, let's get over this already, all right? What's up, everybody? Update on my daughter's mask. It's a scrubs that I guess nurses use when they work in the medical field. So that's what I got. Right now I sterilized the mask. I can't wait to finish because it's coming together so good. She's gonna love it. She's gonna love it so much. I can't wait to finish it. Latest update on my daughter's mask, just finished. I love it. I'm proud of how it came out. I'm satisfied with the product. She's gonna love it. All the filters are in there, it's breathable. I reinforced the face part. I don't know, man. What do y'all think? Y'all let me know. DM me, give me your suggestions.